I'm going to have to guess, and this is a standalone company in 5 years, WBA is probably anywhere from $75 a share to $125 a share, somewhere in there in 5 years from now. So yeah, WBA, I think it's an easy money stock, and that's why I put 7 figures in the stock.
Well, that strong man has once again proven that he's a defamer. Welcome back to Financial Education, and check out my 1000X stocks. Today we're going to talk about Walgreens, my ball spleen, which is up 12%. And my cost basis is $8.47. Welcome back, Strongman Personal Finance. I just wanted to issue an apology to Jeremy Lefebvre from Financial Education because I wrongfully torched him for presenting himself as a good investor when he's in fact a massive scamming, lying, manipulating, grifting fraud. No, I was wrong. I torched him. I crucified him. I mocked him relentlessly about Walgreens Boots Alliance, which he invested 7 figures into, but magically disappeared. But now the stock is up 12%, and we're going to look into why. And let's also ignore the stock is down 83% in the last 5 years, and Jeremy probably bought it up here when it was $40-something. Doesn't matter, bro. He's a genius now, okay? Walgreens stock surges on report that it could be taken private. So Walgreens is a pharmacy. I've used it. I'm sure a lot of you have used it. And it's pretty well known in the United States. They've been having a lot of financial troubles, okay? They did great during the pandemic because, oh my God, everybody needs a shot. And then the pandemic ended. It's over. It's done. And now the company has been posting loss after loss after loss after loss after loss. This company is losing money hand over freaking fist, okay? Barely profitable with some minor adjustments for accounting, but if you go look at their net income, they're posting massive losses, enormous losses. In the most recent quarter, they recorded a $3 billion loss. $3 billion. And just 2 quarters ago, they reported a $6 billion loss, probably from write-downs and impairments. That's right. An impairment means you expect your future cash flows from an acquisition to be a lot lower than you projected them to be. And that's not good. So Walgreens is potentially facing bankruptcy in the long run, okay? This company is struggling massively. But thank God our hero and genius, Jeremy Lefebvre, was able to recommend this stock to us several years ago. But now it's up. And what Jeremy's going to do is his cost basis isn't going to be in the 40s. Oh no, it's going to be in the 8s because he's a genius. He always buys the bottom, bro. So let's read a little bit about Walgreens here. So Walgreens is reported looking to take itself private in a deal with Sycamore Partners, setting the stock nearly 20% higher on Tuesday. The WSJ reported that the beleaguered drugstore and the private equity firm are discussing a deal that could be completed early next year. Walgreens Boots Alliance told CNN it doesn't comment on rumors and speculation, okay? Since Sycamore focuses on smaller deals, it would likely sell off pieces of Walgreens to make the acquisition more financially manageable, okay? Apparently, Sycamore sees some value. Now, Walgreens, like I said, has been struggling. Walgreens has closed hundreds of stores and struggled with declining prescription reimbursements in recent years, setting its value plummeting to about $8 billion. The entire chain of Walgreens is currently worth $8 billion. $8 billion. That's nothing. Okay? This was one of the worst investments you could possibly do. And you know why a lot of you bought it? Number one, because you listened to Jeremy Lefebvre, who his cost basis is $8, of course. And second of all, you focus on the dividend yield. The dividend yield is 10% in your little minds. You think that means a 10% return. That does not mean a 10% return. A dividend is part of total return. It is not return in and of itself. You don't get a 10% return because the dividend yield is 10%. Can you freaking understand this by now? Okay? So this company is absolutely collapsed. But luckily, Sycamore is going to bail us out and I guess bail out Jeremy. Okay? This place has 9,000 stores. 9,000, but it's closing 1,200 that are probably losing money. They've had multiple changes in CEOs. They've had massive attempts to try to save the company, and they failed, and they failed, and they failed, and they failed, okay? What caused the chain to struggle? Well, number one, who freaking shops there? Everything there is expensive. Number two, they've struggled in recent years because of lower reimbursement rates for prescription drugs. Their margins have contracted, and they have competition from Amazon, and also Walmart's in the business. Every business and their mother is in the freaking prescription business. Okay? Great investment by Jeremy Lefebvre. But once again, Jeremy, I just wanted to make this quick video to let you know that you actually are a good investor. You did not put 7 figures. You actually didn't put anything in it. And I'm sure your cost basis is $8.57. And if this company goes private and the acquisition price is like, I don't know, $12 per share, then I'm sure you're going to show your fans that you're a genius. I also like that it's up 14.88%. Interesting number there, Walgreens. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the quick video. Walgreens might be taken private. What do you guys think? Like, subscribe. Check out my tax services in the pinned comment below. I'm a certified public accountant. I do taxes, personal and business, any state in the United States. I do free consultations. You can talk to me for 30 minutes. During that consultation, I'll give you an upfront quote that will not change. You will pay a fixed, flat amount for me to do your taxes unless you're hiding stuff from me. Check out the pinned comment, book a free consultation, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers!